Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best furnace filter is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home maintenance, but it's absolutely critical for your health and the longevity of your HVAC system. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 16 by 25 by 5 furnace filters, exploring what makes a great filter, how to choose the right one for your needs, and why regular replacement is so important for clean air and efficient heating and cooling. Number 5. Nordic Pure Honeywell Lennox MERV 12 Air Filters. This is a replacement air filter from Nordic Pure. It's designed to fit Honeywell and Lennox units, providing clean air for your home. It's a great choice for improving your indoor air quality. The filter has a nominal size of 16 by 25 by 5 inches. This size ensures a proper fit for compatible HVAC systems. Make sure this is the right size for your unit. The actual size of the filter is 15.34 by 24.34 by 4.38 inches. This is the precise measurement you need to ensure a perfect fit. Always check the dimensions before purchasing. This filter is a direct replacement for several Honeywell models. It replaces filters like F100 F1012 and FC108 1026. It's an easy and effective way to maintain your system. This filter features MERV 12 filtration. This helps reduce pollen, pet dander, dust, and mold. It provides a healthier environment by capturing these particles. What we like. This filter offers a MERV 12 rating, providing excellent filtration against common allergens. It's designed specifically as a replacement for Honeywell units, ensuring a perfect fit. If you are looking for superior air quality and have Honeywell systems, this filter is an excellent choice. What people say. They work well and last up to 6 months. The filter is sized exactly as indicated on the filter frame. The construction is solid and airflow is good so far. Number 4. Nordic Pure Honeywell Lennox Replacement Air Filter. Are you looking for a replacement air filter? This is the Nordic Pure filter, designed to fit your Honeywell or Lennox system. It's a great choice for cleaner air. Make sure to measure your current filter. This filter's actual size is 15.75 by 24.75 by 4.38 inches. Ensure it fits perfectly for optimal performance. This filter replaces Honeywell 16 by 25 by 4 filters. It's also suitable for systems with an MERV rating and a depth of 4.38 inches. It's ideal for those with allergies. The Nordic Pure MERV 12 filter is equivalent to MERV 1500 to 1900. It offers high-efficiency air filtration, capturing more particles. It helps improve your indoor air quality. This filter is proudly made in the USA. You can trust its quality and performance. Get yours today for a healthier home. What we like. This filter is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. With a MERV 12 equivalent, it's ideal for those with moderate allergies. If you like supporting local manufacturing and need effective allergen control, you should consider this one. What people say. They work well and last up to 6 months. The filter is sized exactly as indicated on the filter frame. The construction is solid and airflow is good so far. Number 3. Filtrete 16 by 25 by 5 AC Furnace Air Filter 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of Filtrete air filters. The actual size is slightly different from the nominal size, measuring 15.63 by 24.74 by 4.31 inches. This ensures a proper fit for your Lennox brand media air cleaners. This filter is specifically designed to fit Lennox brand media air cleaners. It's engineered to provide optimal performance and air filtration within your existing system. Make sure you have the right size. With a 1000 MERV and MERV 11 rating, this filter helps create a healthier home environment. It captures up to 2x more microparticles than MERV alone, improving your indoor air quality. This filter utilizes exclusive Filtrete 3-in-1 technology. It effectively pulls in and traps unwanted particles, allowing cleaner air to circulate throughout your home. This technology ensures a healthier living space. This furnace filter is certified asthma and allergy friendly. It helps capture dust, lint, and other allergens in your household air. Breathe easier knowing it is working to improve your air quality. What we like. This filter uses exclusive 3-in-1 technology to capture unwanted particles. It's certified asthma and allergy friendly, making your home a sanctuary. If you have asthma or allergies, this filter's advanced technology will provide you with cleaner air. What people say. Fits perfectly, and does a really great job. The filter slides in with enough friction that we know it provides good air seal on all edges. The filers come individually wrapped, which makes storing them easy. Number 2. Filterbuy 16x25x5 MERV 8 Air Filter 4-pack. This air filter is designed to enhance your HVAC system's efficiency. It supports a healthy lifestyle by filtering out unwanted particles. This filter uses MERV 8 synthetic media to protect your home from various allergens. It captures a significant amount of dust without hindering airflow. The filter's electrostatically charged media is made in the USA and designed for durability. It lasts up to 3 times longer than standard fiberglass models. The filter features an easy-to-install beverage board frame with dual-wire backing. This design improves durability and resists extreme temperatures. This filter is compatible with various models from Honeywell, Lennox, Carrier, and more. It is a versatile choice for many HVAC systems. What we like. This filter provides MERV 8 performance, protecting your home from various pollutants. Its lasting filtration and easy installation make it a convenient choice. If you are looking for a balance of performance and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. They seem to filter just as much and last just as long as any other brands I've tried. Fit perfectly in my AC unit. The filters need to be changed every month in winter and they seem to do the job well. Air quality improves significantly. Number 1. Aerostar 16x25x5 MERV 8 Air Filter, 2-count. This MERV 8 filter efficiently removes dust, lint, mold, and pollen. It is designed to capture microscopic particles, ensuring cleaner air for your home. The filter is a nominal size of 16x25x5, with an actual size of 1578x2434x438. It replaces several Honeywell, Bryant, Carrier, and Lennox part numbers. Installing this filter is effortless, providing immediate results. For optimal performance, replace it every 3 to 6 months. Increase the frequency during peak seasons. It utilizes 100% synthetic electrostatic media for high efficiency and low airflow resistance. This design ensures it captures more particles while maintaining optimal airflow. Manufactured by Filtration Group, a world leader in filtration solutions. This product is designed to make your environment safer and healthier. What we like. This filter is designed to remove dust, lint, mold, and allergy-causing pollen. It is easy to install, providing immediate results. If you like a filter that is easy to install and maintain, this is a great choice. What people say. They filter out dirt, etc. well. Fit easily and appeared to be good quality. I have 2 complete systems that serve my house, and each system uses these filters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.